Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Kirlaylaelae mooga dhavi ghassi. And Kirlaylaelae moog is nothing but sprouted green gram, and dhavi ghassi is a type of curry. So we are going to prepare a curry with sprouted green gram. So this is a nutritious and proteinaceous curry that can be had along with rice as a side dish. This dhavi ghassi can be prepared with variety of ingredients, and this is one type of dhavi ghassi.
Now coming to the ingredients. You need 1 cup green gram sprouted, half cup potato cubed, 2 to 3 pieces of raw mango, or else you can use 2 or 3 bilimbi also. Bilimbi is birmi karbal in Konkani. Water as required and salt to taste. For the dhova masolu or the ground paste. Dhova masolu is Konkani word. You need 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut scrapings, 2 to 3 red chilies or as per your spiciness level, a small spoon turmeric powder. For seasoning you need oil. I usually use coconut oil, a small spoon of mustard, a pinch of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Now these are the ingredients that you require for preparing the sprouted green gram curry. Now for sprouting the green gram, what you have to do is wash and soak the green gram overnight. Next day, drain all the water and cover and keep it for sprouting. This will sprout in a day. Now if you are not planning to prepare the curry on the same day on which it has sprouted, you can store the sprouted green gram in the refrigerator for 1 or 2 days or until use. Then I have pressure cooked the sprouted green gram, potatoes and mango pieces in the pressure cooker. Even after pressure cooking, I have seen that it has not turned mushy. So you all can use my procedure for pressure cooking if you do not want to get the mushy green gram. So for pressure cooking the sprouted green gram and potatoes and mango pieces, what you have to do is first you have to transfer these ingredients to the separator of a pressure cooker. Now if you do not have a separator, you can use any wide mouth vessel which will fit inside your pressure cooker. Now add salt and mix well. You need not have to add water to the ingredients. Only you have to add water to the pressure cooker base. Now after one whistle, simmer and keep for 3 to 5 minutes. Then switch off the flame. Open when it has cooled down. Now coming to how to prepare the curry. Now transfer the ingredients, that is cooked sprouted green gram, potatoes and mango pieces to a vessel and add water and boil it. While the cooking is going on, you can grind the dhova masolu, that is what is added to dhavi ghassi. Okay, we call it dhova masolu. Dhova masolu is nothing but ground paste. So you can prepare the ground paste by using grated coconut, red chilli and turmeric powder. You have to grind all the 3 ingredients to a smooth paste. Now once the cooking or once it has boiled, you can add the dhova masolu to the cooked ingredients and mix very well. Now this dhavi ghassi is of semi-thick consistency. It should not be watery. So you have to adjust the quantity of water to be added to the dish. So this is how dhavi ghassi will be. Then after adding the masolu, you have to do the seasoning. So for that, heat oil in a kadai or pan. After adding mustard seeds to the hot oil, add methi seeds followed by curry leaves. See that you do not burn the methi leaves or else you will get a bitter taste. Now pour the seasoning over the curry and mix well. Your Kirlaylaelae mooga dhavi ghassi or sprouted green gram curry is ready to be served. Serve with rice. So thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.